Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on odd one out, and this is our revision class. So let's start for our today's topic. Dear student, we have to find out the odd word from these all words. The first one is sheep, deer, tiger, giraffe. Dear students, among of these four, sheep is farm animal. Left all animal live in jungle or forest. So our odd word is sheep. So we will make a circle on sheep. Now come to next one. Lion, jellyfish, rabbit, monkey. Among of these four words, lion, rabbit, monkey, all are land animal, but jellyfish stay in water. So this one is odd, and we have to make a circle on jellyfish. Come to next. Hen, dog, cow, elephant. Dear students, here hen is a bird, except hen all are animal. So we will make a circle on hen. Now come to number 4. Cat, crow, eagle, parrot. Parrot, eagle, crow, these three are bird, but cat is not a bird, so we will make a circle on cat. Now come to next one. Bee, goldfish, guppy, angelfish. Dear student, angelfish, guppy and goldfish are our pet fish, but bee is an insect, so we will make a circle on bee. Now come to the next one. Lion, elephant, goat, whale. Dear students, lion, elephant, goat are land animal, but whale stay in water. This is water animal, so we will make a circle on whale. Now come to the next one. Drinking, pot, bucket, tank. Dear students, tank, bucket, pot all are using for holding water, and drinking is not that type of thing. Drinking is to drink something, so this one is odd. We have to make a circle on drinking. Now come to the next. Nose, ear, nose, eyes, ear, walk. Dear student, nose, eye, ear, all these three are our sensory organ, but walk is one kind of movement, so this one is odd. We have to make a circle on walk. Now come to the next. Cow, goat, elephant, spider. Dear student, cow, goat, elephant all these three are animal, but spider is an insect, so we have to make a circle on spider. Now come to the last one. Monkey, squirrel, parrot, lion. Dear student, monkey, squirrel, parrot all stay on tree, but lion stay on land, so we have to make a circle on lion. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer, and obey your parents. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.